What's going on, second geners? In this video we're finishing our door skin prep. This is part 3 of that series. If you haven't seen the other 2 videos, I'll put a card in the corner. You'll want to check those out before watching this one. If you're new to the channel, I want to invite you to subscribe. Also check out the videos on the channel. This channel is all about second gen Camaros. However, we do dive deep into the details on restoration work, and all of that can be transferred over to any classic car restoration. With all that said, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Alright guys, right here is one final look of our door skins before we actually spray the epoxy primer. We'll be using SPI gray epoxy primer. Got our door skins here. Overall, turned out pretty decent. There is a little bit of trash in there. So you guys seen the first coat go down. I did follow that up with 2 more coats. It is the next day, and I've had these panels at about 80 degrees ever since I sprayed it last night, and we're ready for the next step. guys, our next step, we are going to be spraying a sound deadening product called Lizard Skin. This will be my first time spraying this product. I'm going to bring you guys along. I've got a few things to tell you about it before we begin, some things that I've already learned from it. First of all, they do have a sound control product and a ceramic product. The ceramic product is pretty much for heat control, and you'll see here in the brochure that the ceramic product is white and the sound control is the black can. Big shout out to Jegs Performance because they actually had the best price that I could find online. However, when I was online ordering it, I wasn't paying attention and I actually ordered the ceramic. Called them up, told them what I'd done, and it was no problem. I just sent it back to them and exchanged it. The turnaround was like 3 days, which was amazing. So big shout out to them. From my experience, you want to have everything covered really well because this stuff does go everywhere. And I've actually got some on the wall over here that I'm going to have to clean up, but that's part of painting. They're looking for 2 coats, 20 mils a coat, so you're putting on 40 mils total. One other thing that I'll share with you on the gun is make sure that you fill it all the way up. There was one coat there that you'll see it on camera that I didn't have this all the way full, and I was actually trying to spray like this and it wasn't picking it up in the tube. I sprayed this right at 70 psi. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe if you hadn't, and we'll catch you next time.